Finally, we see the Goto statement. Goto is nothing but we have already seen this in other programming languages, just to transfer control to some other statement. It does not require any particular condition. It transfers control from anywhere to anywhere in the program. Only thing it requires is a label. So, the syntax is Goto label. Label is the position where control should be transferred. Now, this is just a very simple program using Goto to check whether a number is odd or even. You have the header files, the starting, the declaration. Now, I want to enter a number and see whether it is odd or even. So, I enter a number, say 5. So, how is it going to check? It is going to divide it by 2 and see whether there is a remainder or not. So, here I am dividing the number by 2. You know that it will give a remainder. So, I am checking whether the remainder is 0. When you divide 5 by 2, you get the remainder 1. So, automatically the condition is false. So, it will skip that go to even, it will go to this else block and go to odd. And then it will check for the label odd. Odd label is given by that particular rule, odd followed by a colon. So, that is identified as a label and it will print that 5 is odd.